So welcome to Philadelphia for the BOMA 2024 conference. Now, BOMA is the Building Owners and Managers Association, and I'm here in Philadelphia because this morning we gave a plenary session with our colleagues, Sarah at the Center for Active Design and Scott from Train, where we had a panel discussion where we were discussing how do we get the concept of sustainability and healthy buildings together. And we addressed a large group of architects, building owners, heating and ventilation engineers, as well as contractors and other people with regards to the built environment. And one of the things really interesting being at an owners and managers association is it really is another piece in that jigsaw where we've spoken at so many conferences this year with regards to the American Institute of Architects, the American Society of Interior Design, the Facilities Managers Show, and also the medical shows as well. And then when you think about the building itself, well, you have to bring in the owners and the managers into that conversation. So we had a very robust panel discussion talking about how do you balance things like operational carbon, ESG metrics, and then how do we keep the occupants of those buildings that they own and manage, how do we keep them healthy, and how do you configure that building to optimize for health? So at this show, there's a very large exhibition hall. There's going to be some other keynotes. There's going to be other panel discussions. And we're really glad to be part of that conversation as it comes on the back of our recent trip to the International Society of Indoor Air Quality, where there were so many other people related to buildings and the built environment. So as we wrap up here in Philadelphia, that continued theme now coming from the builder, owners and managers, how do we optimize the buildings in a measurable way with smart sensors and technology? But most importantly, those measurable changes and that data that we can now get in buildings, how does that transfer into healthier people in buildings and improve lives?